I'm with you, how can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube, and today we are on vacation. I'm here with my mom and Becca. We are going to where? Where are we going, y'all? Mexico, Cancun. I'm kidding, y'all. Honestly, I want y'all to guess where we're going, but at the same time, y'all can see the thumbnail and it's gonna show where we're going. We're going to Mexico City, and it's my first time going. They already been to Mexico City before. And then we're also going to Monterrey, Nuevo Leon. So that's where we're going, and I'm really excited. We're first class, so you know, we get like the wine and the massage. I'm fucking playing, y'all. We the last class, that ass. Oh yeah, we are middle class. So we made it past security. Okay, you guys, we're on the plane, about to depart, and I have window seat.
I told her like you, that bitch I do it all, and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing, I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody.
We got tequila with Sprite. Cheers. We still have an hour and 14 minutes, and my mom and I are watching a movie. We're watching The Hangover #3. Period.
Like you do, you do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
There's a lot of snow in here, but we made it, and I got my first stamp. Period. And there's baggage claim, but we all did a carry-on, so we don't have to do that. We made it to the Airbnb, and now I'm gonna show y'all the inside. So this is our room, and as you walk in, we have a pull-out bed that looks like really comfy, and it's super cute, you guys. This is our dining room table, and then this is our kitchen. We have the stove, we have cabinets. Oh look, we have a microwave, we have a sink, we have stuff to make coffee. We have another cabinet, and then we also have the fridge here. Obviously, nothing's in the fridge yet. Here's the TV, and here's the master bedroom. Oh, they have a mirror in here. Period for new outfit checks. They have like, ooh. Okay, yes, they do have an iron. I need one because my stuff is all wrinkly. And here's the bed, king size bed. Here's the TV. Our view is so pretty, and it's low-key kind of chilly, no lie. Here's the outside. And here is our beautiful view of Mexico City. And that's basically our tour for our Airbnb. And right now we're gonna go get some food because we're hungry. And then here is the bathroom. I totally forgot to show y'all. It's super cute. It's our shower. So we're here at the restaurant. We got some guac. What is this one?
Consume de pollo.
So I got my meal. I got a quesadilla chicken with corn tortillas. Cheese. That's Becka's. Yummy. So now we're at Circle K. This is my view. And here's our Airbnb. Okay, you guys. We are in bed and it's 1 a.m. and I'm very tired. So tomorrow we have a long day. To wake up bright and early. So we see y'all tomorrow. Good night.
When I'm with you.